Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to talk in the video regarding with different stone crystals. I want to show you 3 that I have in front of me. This, amethyst, this, that is selenite, this, and golden healer egg. I'm going to talk about how hard it is, why you need to be careful not to have water on it. Some letting the sun, for example, amethyst will lose its purple color if sun is on it. So you don't want to do that. Prefer when you want to charge them, use that at night time during the film. So, here, no water. Selenite is Asian salt. It kind of selenite, one of my favorite stones. This is golden egg, golden healer egg. So this is hard. So sun, I would avoid it. Now, most of the time I tend to during so I encourage you to do your homework. When you get a crystal from store or whatever, ask them how hard it is, how can I cleanse it. One way you feel safe, you can sage them, smoke, smudge, stick to clean your stone. So it's important to be careful. If you have any questions, you can always search engine, or you can contact me and we can sit down with 1 hour session and talk about it. You can pick 3 stones and you feel attracted to. We can talk about that. So I encourage you to be aware. Really embrace your crystals and stones. They are energy, just like you, just like your pet, just like your plant, anything that has energy, we embrace because we want it. Now, again, I'm showing you. It looks like the moon. It's beautiful. It's selenite. It's a selenite wand. This is an amethyst pendulum. I have several other ones. It's in the other room. This I carry with me all the time in my small bag. I also carry copper pendulum because it's hard. I bring hit, and it will not be hard on it. So this is a healer. It helped me to bring healing message to you, healing message to myself. Even holding it, healing on headache, any place you hurt, lay down, hold, or you can't hold. I hope this helps you to be aware that not all stone crystals you buy are the same hardness. Okay. That's your spiritual tip, spiritual tool tip to you today. Lucky to you with love and light, amen to you. I would like for you to share this video. People need to find God's message, the universe message, divine source, however you call it. Your friends on your friends list might not be on my friends in social media. If you feel touched with this video, please share. So your people that are on your social media will find the answer they've been looking for. Also, I would love for you to click emoji, heart, like, whatever. I would love for your comments how this card reading really impacts you and how you feel that will help you go through the week. Oh. Okay. Bless you to you with love and light and many to you.